Today I'll be changing the battery on this toy here. It's a Disney Pixar Car 3's Talking Like McQueen Crash Me plush toy. This one doesn't work anymore because the battery's out, so let's see if I can replace the battery. Just need to remove the screw and pull it down. It doesn't come off easily, so you have to use this thing here with a different screwdriver. Pull it out. You can see I'm pretty much breaking it. Ow. I got it off. It's because the screw doesn't come off of this. It's stuck, and so I can't pull it out easily. Now, I can pull out the battery. There you go. P44. LR44. I think I have these. I have these lying around, so I'll be using them to replace the batteries.
Quick and quick. I am speed.
And you can see it's working now. Everyone's asleep in my house right now, so I need to be quiet. But this thing is kind of loud.
Yeah. All feet storm. Ka-chow! Yeah. Woohoo! Whoa! Ka-chow! All feet storm. Quicker than quick. I am speed. Woohoo! All feet storm. Quicker than quick. I am speed.
That's it.